So just sitting out here in my morning juice. Man, that's good. So when I first started juicing, I really didn't stick with it. Bought my juicer, probably first 2 weeks, juiced up here and there. And then after that, went back in the cupboard. Didn't come out for probably about almost a year, to be truthful. The thing is, I had the juicer. And then when I started getting into this routine of being built for more and then creating the built for more method and just dialing in my fitness and my mind, my mental state, the juicing came back into play. And since I had the juicer, all I had to do was just pull it out of the cupboard and just go back to juicing. And so far, I've been juicing every morning. Or if I don't get it in the morning, I make sure to have it before the day's end. And I've also juiced the whole day as a diet or a meal plan as well. And I liked about the juicing is that it's fresh and it's really good. And I get to put the ingredients that I want to utilize. No matter how I'm feeling, I can just go in to the refrigerator and I'm dealing with a lot of stress, a lot of anxiety, whatever it is. Find my little secret ingredients, I blend them up, and that helps me get going. It doesn't cure it, it just helps it. So what I try to do is what I call preventive maintenance. The ring routine, the exercise, the nutrition, it's all preventive maintenance. So as I get older, I can continue this lifestyle I have of absolutely no medications. I am on no medications at all right now. I'm 61 years old. Trust me, they tried to put me on medications a few years ago, and I just started changing up my routines then, just a little half-ass stuff, and I was able to come off the medication. So whatever you're doing in life with your health, and you're seeing a doctor for, physical therapist, whatever those things are, I advise you to listen to them, but also make sure to do your own research and implement things that are more holistic, natural for you. And you will find that over time, a lot of stuff that you might be on, you might be able to eliminate. I'm no doctor, I'm no expert, and I'm not giving out medical advice. I'm just doing what's best for me, and what I feel is best for me. Like I said, my aches and pains are going away. I'm more flexible. I'm getting stronger again. My mindset is clear. I'm enjoying my walks. And these juices are doing something for me that I enjoy. So with that, if you guys want to join in on the Built for More challenge, Built for More community, and be active participants and help others out, come on aboard. Sign up, do these 7-day resets for free. We do 7 days, see where you're at, and you do another 7 days. 7 days at a time, basically, guys. And so far, I've gone on to other routines, like I'm on my 30-day ring fitness routine right now, where I'm on day 15 of that, and I'm just moving along, guys. It's what it's all about. So let's get you plugged in, let's get you going, and let's get you built for more. See you guys later. Peace out.